Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shades of MEGZ. On number 5 is the Dancing House. The Dancing House is the nickname given to a building called Fred and Ginger. Fred and Ginger is an artistic, ultra-modern, attention-grabbing building with creative architecture and design. The very non-traditional design was controversial at the time, causing a big public debate. On number 4 is New Town Square. It's one of the main city square and the center of the business and cultural communities in Prague. This square has been the site of many significant events in Czech history. On number 3 is Old Town Square. Prague's Old Town Square has all the elements of great fairy tale. Cobblestone streets, alluring architecture and enchanting spires. It has a lot of things to offer, from different beautiful churches to mouth-watering pastries to astronomical clocks. On number 2 is Castle District and St. Vitus Cathedral. Prague Castle is the largest Asian castle in the world according to Guinness Book of Records. It also doubles up now as an important political center where the Czech Republic President office is located. St. Vitus Cathedral is indeed an amazing sight. The impressive arcs gives the entire structure an incredible lightness sensation, and the stained glass windows make the interior absolutely stunning. On number 1 is Charles Bridge. Prague's most iconic landmark is the 600-year-old Charles Bridge. What makes the Charles Bridge interesting are the many statues that line both sides of the bridge. A great time of a day to come to the bridge is at sunset, when one can enjoy a breathtaking view of the fully lit Prague Castle. The Charles Bridge is the definitive symbol of this beautiful city and will remain so for years to come. So these are my top 5 places. Do let me know in the comment section what places did you like. Subscribe to my channel Shades of MEGZ. Also do press the bell icon to get an update for any new video. You can follow Shades of MEGZ on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.